You know, I hear of Stedmak, but I've never been here. This is the first time. Yeah. I never went in. They said we had to wait for Frank. But no problem, after we're done I can go. Yeah.
I don't know. Every chef who comes on board says I don't know.
They have their rules.
Not up to something.
Wow. Let's do this. Whoa, that scared me. Wow, this is nice. And they're all floating, they're not anchored to the ground.
No way. And when the clients are comfortable,
yeah,
you release them and let them sail.
They do.
Yeah,
so
let them go inside.
Wow.
And you're on the other side, maybe you've ordered, you use the small boats to serve you.
What are the prices for this?
If they're not booked,
yeah,
you can just walk in and dine on board. But if you want to reserve for exclusivity,
yeah,
the big ones are 4,000, the small ones are 2,000.
The big ones 4,000, the small ones.
Every Penny and Mvijo actually. Then we have Kiki and Nyambura. They go for 2,000 because of the number of capacity. VIP. Yes, sir. They're cleaning it, sir.
This is what you get.
So this is the Virtuoso's meaning of reserve. Like this one is 5,000 bob. Being 5,000, it means we don't bring anybody. Even if the client is coming in at 6, what is theirs?
So that's 5,000 is for the whole day?
For the whole day. So regardless of whatever time you'll come, then the other bit is we give you a designated waiter. Like you have a designated waiter to serve you.
Okay.
Yeah. And if it is this, we don't allow people to walk in. But for the
you have to book this one in advance.
Yeah.
That is a nice idea. That's the view. That looks nice. Oh, you can do your own fishing if you want to.
You know guys do sport fishing.
Yeah. So there's a lot of fish in here.
I'm thinking we can fish around the beach like they're also fishing right now.
Oh, the nets.
Yeah, but this is company. We don't allow guests to do.
Okay. So these are the ones you'll be for cooking. Actually here's a fish.
And this is small. This guy's
isianguke kwa maji. River Mokoyet.
Yeah.
Where does it come from?
Mokoyet is a river in Karen.
Oh.
So, but I know ours flows from Mamba Village.
Okay.
So from Mamba Village, I don't know where. You take care of comfort.
Yeah. You see the way it's taking care of you with the fishes now.
Holidays, that's when we are really loud.
I really love the ambience here. She's really creative. These are drums. It's creative.
We only stop it when we have numbers, yeah?
Yeah.
Because we don't want to teach people that for us, party after party is on me. Let's check this.
Yes.
You can use your height.
Yeah, no, the rooms. So the it looks good. It's called Addis Ababa.
Because the bed is not well done. Some of them have nets, some of them don't have nets.
But you can request a net if you want to, right?
Yes.
Yeah. How much for the room?
This is 10,000 bed and breakfast. 10 people.
Oh. Can I shower it? All right. Yeah, hizi nakumbuka alama ze from South America, Peru. They like to spit, but this guy is most aggressive. Kwa namwachilia nje, but sometimes ana hit people, so ukamregesha huko ndani. Anakuja tu anapita na wewe. Swallows. Yeah, my guy. Come slow, come slow.
So in some other countries, like in Europe, in US, people keep them as boars as pet. But in Kenya here,
Jesus, they're so big. That's called Margaret, like my mom. She's a lioness too.
after looking at the animals, you come and take their stress here.
Watu wanachakula hapa.
Yeah. Nightmares inaisha.
Wow.